Hey guys, I was just going to touch base with you guys all on the LAC worksheet and the half value layer. I was just going to do the first two questions, or the first question and the fourth question with you. If you still have questions, just let me know. I'm just going to jump right in and get started with the first question. So here on the paper, I just wrote down the few things that it gives us already. So we know that the block or whatever thickness of material they give us is 6 centimeters. We're using a 60 keV beam. We have an incident photon of 600, transmitted of 100, and all we're looking for right now is just what is the LAC of this. So we're always going to use the equation N, which is your transmitted photons, equals your incident photons, e to the negative mu x, and x is your thickness. So all you have to do is fill all this in because it's all given to us here. So we'd have 100, because that's your transmitted, equals 600, which is your incident, e to the negative mu 6 centimeters, just like that. So then you just do orders of operation and solve the equation. So you would divide each side by 600. So here you'd have 1/6 equals e negative mu 6 centimeters. So now to get rid of the e on the one side, you take the natural log. So natural log on a calculator is abbreviated as LN on the calculator. And this is on most calculators. On cell phones, if you just open your calculator and turn it to the side so the phone is landscape, you should be able to use the natural log function. If not, just let me know. But so we'd take the natural log of 1/6 equals the natural log of e to the negative mu 6 centimeters. So that ln cancels out the e. That's the whole point of this. The natural log of 1/6 is negative 1.79. Now, which equals negative mu 6 centimeters. Okay. So now we just have to divide both sides by 6. And our answer is going to be 0.298. Oh, sorry. We could do it by negative, because both sides are negative, so it's by negative 6. So you have 0.298 equals mu. So that's what's going to be your LAC. So LAC equals 0.298 centimeters. Okay. Now, if that doesn't make sense or anything, let me know and I can go through it a little slower, or we can have a video chat together and we can solve it. But just let me know and we can get through it. The next one I'm going to do is number 4, which is the half value layer. And we're just going to use the same one we just did. We just solved for, so we're going to use this as our LAC. So for the half value layer, you just use 0.693 as a given over your mu, which we just solved for above. So all we're going to do is 0.693 divided by 0.298, which equals 2.33 centimeters. So that's going to be your half value layer on this part. So that is your answer for the number 4 first one. And now you're going to calculate number 2 on the LAC worksheet. And you're going to use that, and you're going to calculate the half value layer of the fat, which is the question of number 2. And so you'll have 2 answers for number 4. Now this LAC worksheet is for completion points, so you'll get 100 as long as you turn it in. But let me know if you don't understand it, because you will have some of these questions on your quizzes and your tests. So let me know if you need more help, and I'll be here for you. Thanks, guys. Have a good week.